Hey everybody, this is the LisaBug Fitness and Yoga Short and Sweet Series, and what I have for you today is a comprehensive warm-up. So I've had a request for this from our classes. So I've got about a 15 to 20 minute full body warm-up. So this would be something that you can do and then maybe pair it in conjunction with a stretch video, or if you're going to go out for a long day of hiking or bike riding, canoeing, whatever it might be, and you just want to warm everything up, or if you only have a short period of time in the day for a quick little workout, this is going to elevate your heart rate a little bit, get your body moving, the blood flowing, and some gentle dynamic stretching. So let's get started. I'll put a little bit of background music on for us. You can have footwear, or you can come to this warm-up barefoot if that feels comfortable for you. So let's just start finding our posture, nice long spine. Take a breath in and a big exhale out. 2 more times with that slow, deep breath. And just check in. How are you feeling today? 1 more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Let's turn our head to the right side. Look over the right shoulder. And to the left side. And to the right side. And the left. Come to the center. Tip your right ear toward your right shoulder. And left ear. Little side of the neck stretch. 1 more time each side. Bring the chin straight down toward the chest. Then slightly lift your chin. 1 more time. Drop. And lift. Come to neutral. We squat down and up. Set the hips back into the heels. Feet are parallel, not too wide into the squat. Now let's add our breathing. Inhale to lower. Exhale to rise. 2 more. And 1. Now as you squat, reach forward. And then pull your elbows back. Squeeze through the shoulder blades. And pull back. Down. Pull back. If you feel comfortable, let's pick up the pace with this. Reach, pull. Reach, pull. Nice warm up for the shoulders, opening up the chest. Now let's reach the right arm back only and the left. Almost like you're rowing. 1 arm and the other. Let's add a slight rotation of the body. So right elbow back, turn. Left elbow back, turn. Slightly looking over your shoulders. So we have that rotation of the neck. Let's do 8 more. Inhale, exhale. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, just the squat, both elbows back. Now your heart rate should be coming up a little bit, warming up through the muscles. 1 more, march in place, march. Just pump your arms a little bit as you're marching, picking up the knees. Nice functional movement. 3 marches, 1 knee lift. 1, 2, 3, knee lift. 1, 2, 3, knee lift. Warming up through the hip flexors. Let's do 4 more here. We've got 1, 2, 3, knee lift. 3 more each side. 2, 1 each side. Just your march right in place. Now when we warm up, we always want to check in with all the joints in our body, see how we're feeling today. Ankles, knees, hips, elbows, shoulders, lower back, wrists. So speaking of the wrists, we're going to circle them around. So I have a little bit of a fist. It's not too tight, kind of loose. Just warming up. Now reverse that wrist rotation. Excellent. So bring your hands right in front of your body. Point your fingers down, up, down, up. And I'm still going with my march. So I want to keep the body moving as we're warming up. Let's do 8 more. Point the fingers down and up. 7, 6. Good. 4, 3, 2. Now make fists close, open, close, open. Really spread those fingers out nice and wide. 4 more. 3, 2, and rest the arms. Good, just pump them back here. So we're going to change the action with the lower body to a step touch. We go to the right side, left side. Now just bring your left hand to your hip. Take the right arm out and across. Start to make this a sweeping motion like a figure 8. So the palm goes up, down, up, down. Do this right from the shoulder so we have some rotation in that upper arm bone. Let's get 4 more. 4, 3, 2. Now take the arm out to the side and lift it above the head. Make sure this feels okay for your shoulder. You can always slow down these movements as well. Let's do it again with a little side bend in the waist. Just really reach it out there. When we warm up, we want to warm up the spine in all directions. So let's put these movements together. So we go out and a figure 8, and then we reach up. Figure 8, reach up. Good, we're working that brain a little too, right? Let's get 4 more. Keep those feet going with your step touch. 2 more. Last one. Now bring that right arm right across the front of the body. You're going to hug it in to get a little stretch. Look to the right. Look back to the front. Bring that right arm behind your back. Maybe you can grab it with your left hand and pull it across. Tip your left ear toward your left shoulder. Nice job. Release it out. Bring your right hand to your hip. Left arm goes a figure 8. Figure 8. In front and out. Palm up, down. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next movement, lift and out. Now we might have some issues on one shoulder, not the other. So if you have different ranges of motion, that's okay. Just do your best on this side. Now let's add more of a side bend. Reach, reach. Check in on your breathing, your heart rate. Let's get 4 more here. 3, 2, combine the movements. A figure 8 and a reach up. A figure 8 and a reach up. Beautiful. Feel the joints heating up as that blood flow increases to those working areas. We have 1 more. Then bring that left arm right across the chest, hug it in. Look to the left. Bring your head back to the center. Take that left arm behind the back. Maybe you can grab your wrist with the right hand. Tip the right ear toward the right shoulder so you feel the left side of your neck really lengthen. Bring your head back to neutral. Release the arms. Step out nice and wide with your feet. Turn your toes out. Bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. Good. We have right, left, right, left. Now the arms go opposite, opposite. So when you bend that right knee, reach it across. Same thing on a bit of a diagonal. Rotate. So you're reaching across toward the bent knee side. Last one. Bend the right knee, hold. Pick up your left toes and lower down. Lift, lower. We're slightly supporting here on the right knee. Pick up those toes, hold them up, stretch down a little bit deeper. Take your upper body, release it forward so we're feeling a stretch in the hamstring and inner thigh. Come on up. Pivot your body toward this right side. Press your left heel right down into the mat. Lift up on the toe, up and down. Arms up to goalpost. We close the elbows and palms open. Four more. 3, 2, hold that heel down. Really open up your chest. Nice chest expansion. Release the arms down. We'll pivot all the way back to the front side. Bend your left knee. Pick your right toes up and down. Up, down. 6 more. Flex and point. 4, 3, 2. Flex that foot. Hold the toes up. Sink down a little deeper into your stretch. We feel the inner thigh. We feel the hamstring, maybe a little bit of the low back. Also our calf as well. Come on back up, pivot your entire body over to this left side. Line up your feet, press your heel down into the mat. Really lift your chest. Raise up on the toes on that back foot. Now bring your hands right here in front of you, palms are up. We'll do a crisscross and open out. Crisscross, open out. This is a warm-up for our rotator cuff. 4 more. Cross, open. 3, 2, 1. Drop that heel down. Bring your hands behind your back, or you can place them at your hips. 1 more chest expansion. And release that stretch for your arms. Pivot your body all the way back to the front. Feet are a little wider than your hips. Bring your hands down to your thighs. We've got a standing cat stretch. So tuck your tailbone, bring your chin towards your chest, then a standing cow. Look forward, lift your tailbone back behind you. So you're slightly arching the back. Let's put it together. We round up and down. Up, down. It's a little pelvic tilt and spinal flexion and extension. I'll come right to neutral. Drop your right shoulder down. Look right behind your body. Switch. Drop your left shoulder down. Look behind you. One more time each side. Rotate. And switch. Come to the center, round your back all the way up. Take a breath in and exhale down. Now this time we'll breathe in. As you exhale down, do a forward fold. So hinge right from your hips. Lower yourself down any amount to stretch the back of the legs. Inhale back up. Exhale down. One more forward fold. And come all the way back up. Then lower those arms by your side. Excellent job, everyone. I hope the entire body feels warm and ready for whatever you have ahead for your day. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.